Hey Butterbeams, hope you guys are good. Today is Friday and I'm doing a weekend vlog. We're going grocery shopping. Last week we only went to do for the week, so now it's the actual grocery shopping for the month. And super excited. I'm taking you guys along with me the entire weekend. I don't think this vlog is going to be that long because I don't want to talk too much and I don't want to film every single detail, and I hate watching long vlogs. So it's gonna be, maybe it's gonna be short, I don't know, we're gonna see when I edit. But for now, I'm gonna take you guys along with me to get groceries, and then I'm gonna take you guys along with me tomorrow when I go. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna go somewhere and I'm taking you guys with me. And Sunday, maybe, not promising. But whatever I do the entire weekend, you guys are gonna be there with me, period. So let's just go, man. I don't want to yap too much.
You were here before. Can't look you in the eyes. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special, but I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? And I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts.
I want to sit by the window when it rains and read books I'll never be tested on. I want to paint because I enjoy it, not because I have something to prove. I want to fall asleep when the moon is high and wake up slowly.
Hey Butterbeams, hope you guys are good. Please do not mind my hair because girl, I do not know, okay? I don't know what's going on here. Yesterday I tried to tie my hair into a slick back and it was such a nightmare. It was like fighting against the champions of the champions and winning by chance and then having to do it again. Nightmare, I tell you, okay? And I have to do it again today because I'm going somewhere. Anywho, yesterday I told you guys that I was going to take you guys along with me with the whole weekend thing. That didn't happen because I didn't go anywhere. After my phone shut down, my camera shut down while I was vlogging for the groceries and stuff, I literally I lost every single energy to vlog. And yesterday I shot something when I was braiding my hair and I was telling you guys that I braided my hair. I lost the clip. Girl, this vlog is just not coming together. So I'm trying to start afresh and not crash out because I'm this close. Okay, I'm this close to crashing out. Anywho, today is gloomy and we're going to do the things that we're supposed to do over the weekend that we didn't do. So I'm taking you guys along with me today to go get them done. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but I just know that I'm tagging along so I can vlog. One thing about me, I love being outside. I am an introverted extrovert. I'm an what is it called? I think it's an ambivert. I don't know, but girl, so I'm an introvert because I like being home 90% of the time, but when I get the chance to be outside, I will be outside. I will be outside because I absolutely love to be outside. But anyways guys, I think I'm rambling right now, but we get the vibes. We're gonna go out, do what we gotta do, come back, and take you guys along with me so you can spend the day with me. And I guess this is no longer a weekend vlog because over the weekend I did absolutely nothing because today is Monday, so it's I don't know girl, just come with me, okay? Just come with me at this point. So yeah, period. Don't mind my hair. No, I don't know, I really don't know. I might cut my hair. Just hold me on that because when I come back here and my hair is shorter, just mind the fact that I said I will cut it because girl, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on at this point. Hey, better be to be guys are good. We are at Borders Mall. Currently at some restaurant. We are here to do something important, but I know this day is gonna turn into a beach day because there's no way we're gonna be at the beach and not, you know, turn it into a beach day.
You were here before. Could look you in the eyes. You're just like an angel.
Wait for the shops to.
Your skin
So we're just
makes
gonna
me
chill
cry.
The shops are currently closed, so we're gonna
You float
sit down a little
like
bit and chill so
a
that they can like open. But for now, we're gonna just relax.
beautiful world. I wish
We're in the bathroom, literally just passing time. But here's an OOTD, pants from Coke King, shirt from my cousin, and this from I think Fashion World, and the bag, I don't know. It's my mom's. I don't know where she got it. And then scratchy from Fantasy. And then shoes from Cold King. Period. And then yours. This top is from this other thrift shop. The skirt is from Kimmy. The shoes are from, I don't know. The skirt is Mr. Price. Thank you.
I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice.
This shoes Kimmy.
Look at the camera. Laugh. Hey, Kimmy. Hi, Kimmy. What's it up? Sandcastle. No. No. No.
Tell me if I could send up my heart to you, so when I die, which I must do, couldn't shine.